Welcome, everyone. Amidst increasingly heated global competition, the United States continues to strive to maintain its position as the world's strongest power. Two programs that are currently in the spotlight are the Next Generation Air Dominance and Loyal Wingman. However, with limited resources and ever-growing challenges, an important question arises: which is more important for the future of air dominance, NGAD or Loyal Wingman? Next Generation Air Dominance is a program designed to create a next-generation fighter aircraft which can replace the F-22 Raptor. With more advanced stealth technology, more lethal strike power, and the ability to integrate modern combat systems, NGAD is seen as the key to maintaining the United States' superiority in the air. However, this program comes with a very high cost and challenges in developing new technologies. Although NGAD promises extraordinary combat capabilities, some are questioning whether this large investment is worth the results, especially in an increasingly diverse threat environment. On the other hand, Loyal Wingman is a more revolutionary concept, where drones are controlled by AI to operate independently or support manned fighters. Loyal Wingman offers an unprecedented kiss of honor, with the ability to carry out high-risk missions without sacrificing pilot lives. In addition, the program can provide numerical superiority in combat, where a single manned fighter can be accompanied by several Loyal Wingmen, creating a formidable fleet. However, the main challenge of Loyal Wingmen is the maturity of AI technology that still needs to be tested in real combat conditions. Amid rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific region, China continues to accelerate the development of its fifth-generation fighter fleet, including the increasingly advanced J-20 stealth fighter variant. This adds pressure on the United States to immediately accelerate the development of NGAD, while Loyal Wingman can provide a strategic advantage in dealing with multi-domain conflict scenarios that may involve operations in hard-to-reach areas. The current challenges come not only from major powers, but also from increasing global competition that requires a quick and precise response. So, which is more important? NGAD offers a technological advantage and combat capability that is difficult to match, which is essential to countering the threat of competitors such as China and Russia. However, Loyal Wingman may provide a more flexible and cost-effective solution to maintaining air dominance, especially in unconventional conflict scenarios or in operations that require high speed and adaptability. Ultimately, the best choice may not be to choose one over the other, but to find a way to integrate NGAD and Loyal Wingman forces. Both have different but complementary roles in the future US air defense strategy. The collaboration between human power and artificial intelligence could be the key to maintaining long-term air dominance. Let's dive deeper and discuss together, which of the two do you think is more important? Don't forget to leave your comments below.